welcome back to our channel. I'm here with Michelle. I know it's been a minute that we haven't really done a video, but we're back with an Ipsy unboxing. We're gonna try it on ourselves and we're gonna let you know what we think about it. So we are in June, so this would be the June unboxing. So let's check out what we have.
All right. I'm excited, clearly. I love this color.
Digging this color. Look at that. Rose gold.
All right, what we got? Let's just dump everything out.
All right, so this basically says what we have in this little bag. So these are all the items. So we have a highlighter, a volumizing mascara, and it says bang! Moisture and Shine lotion. I'm assuming it's this one. A crayon lipstick and a primer. I'm gonna go with the IPSY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter and 24K Magic. And this is what it looks like. Apply with a highlighter brush to your temples, brow bones, cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and cupid bow. What's a cupid bow? Right here. Oh, yeah. Right here, guys. Okay, and the color, which I'm assuming is 24K Magic. So this is the packaging.
Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I am loving this right now.
I'm gonna put it on you.
Okay. We need to do a swatch, guys.
Look at that. That's nice. Oh, that's nice.
See, Michelle doesn't even have to do anything. Look at that, guys. Look at the glow. Oh, my, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm loving this right now. What
I
do
know,
you think,
it actually
Michelle?
feels like pretty nice. And it doesn't look like I have a lot on.
No. What's the next product?
BADgal Bang Volumizing Mascara.
Okay, so I will say that for me, I like to use mascaras that have volumizing in it because it just makes them look thick. So the key to mascara, I find, is the brush. It's an interesting brush, especially for volumizing. That's what the brush looks like.
I feel like this mascara would be more of a lengthening mascara where it makes your eyelashes super long. I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So, I mean, it's not bad. See how it lengthens my eyelashes.
And it does take a while to dry because I just felt some wetness.
It doesn't look like it got clumpy or anything. So no, the brush is good. It separates
I
it.
feel like I have a hard time finding the right mascara because I don't want it to be too clumpy and I want it to be able
Yeah.
to dry really quickly.
Right.
That way I can just apply it and then take off.
And guys, comment down below if you want to
Yes.
see us do more of these like subscription unboxing stuff.
You try it and tell me what you think. As Michelle is applying that, it's, oh my gosh, is this even gonna wash off? I just read it's 36 hours.
It says that for a dramatic volume.
I feel like it's more dramatic lengthening.
It looks like they are getting a lot longer.
But I don't know if by putting a lot on, like if I need to keep putting more on to get the volume. Yeah.
The next one is gonna be the Waterfall Moisturize Plus Shine Lotion. To tame flyaways, smooth a dime-size amount into damp hair from mid-shaft to end and blow dry. So our hair is not damp.
Nope.
But I'm willing to try it anyways because I do have dry ends. I'll take a dab.
Take a dab.
Take a dab.
Dab.
I don't know how to do it.
I don't even know if I did it right. My girls are probably judging me right now.
Oh my god, it smells like really clean. I love when something smells clean like that. I do have a flyaway over here, hence why it's behind my ear. So this is Moisture Shine Lotion. That's what this is. For your hair? Yeah, I've never heard of lotion for your hair. Yeah, that's a first, actually.
I mean, it definitely smells really good.
It does.
And it feels really good. So I can only imagine what it feels like when your hair is actually damp.
I feel like a little bit will go a long way.
Absolutely.
The smell I do like. This is good. Again, like if you're at the beach after the pool.
The chlorine, if you get a lot of chlorine damage to your hair, that could definitely be helpful.
Yeah.
Next one we're gonna try is gonna be the Lord & Berry 2100 Mazimatte Crayon Lipstick in Here and Now.
This is a crayon lipstick. All right, guys, this is such a like beach.
I keep saying beach because I'm going to the beach. I'm definitely feeling it. Michelle, do you want to apply it? Sure, why not? Burnt red lips. Burnt red lips. Burnt. All right, pucker up. No, I don't know why. Why am I doing this accent right now? I don't know where that came from. But
Tell me how it feels like on your lips. Does it feel dry?
It does feel a little dry.
So like maybe add like some chapstick or something before applying it.
Yeah.
yeah, really? Oh my god! I like it. I like it. I like that.
So this is a good color for like if you're at the beach
or if you're gonna go out to like a barbecue and you want like a little pop of color, this is it right now. And since Michelle has a really nice tan, I feel like this color actually flatters her very, very well. Lastly, we're gonna go with the Hydra Veil Primer. So that's what that looks like. So this is good for before you apply your makeup. And you guys know that I've used like setting spray, primer. I only really use it unless I'm gonna go to like an event and I want my makeup to actually like last a really long time. This is how it comes. This is so small. I know. How's it smell?
Very subtle scent. This is what it looks like, guys. It looks like clear slide. Here's mine. It's not mine. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna. Oh. Is that like a okay, do you need to feel this right now? Because this feels very weird. Put your finger in. It feels really weird. It's like Jello. It's yeah. Like when you're trying to see if your Jello's all done. I'm sorry. I think it just feels very weird.
It's like
I don't even know.
gooey.
Guys, I'm not really feeling it.
You know what this reminds me of? You know aloe?
Yes. Yeah.
It gives me like, oh my god, like all this stuff is gonna drip out of the container, and that's not the case. It's like in a Jello form, like nothing's happening. Like I'm dabbing and this is what's happening. I don't like it.
Yeah, we're not bashing, you know, the products or anything.
Yeah, not at
everybody
all.
has opinions
Yeah.
for whatever works for them.
You know how I'm picky.
That's probably why we both have two different opinions.
I would have to try it like if I'm actually doing a full face.
I feel like this is really cool. I definitely recommend it. I like it. I mean, it's like Christmas in a little package.
It's $10 a month.
I would definitely recommend it.
And I love this bag. It is so
I think
pretty.
it's so cute.
I actually have a question for you. Somebody gave me a rose petal faced mist spray.
Yes.
And I've never had it before, and usually I just put lotion. Are you able to replace the lotion with the mist, or is it just like a refreshing thing? Like, what's your opinion about it?
I have one similar. What I usually do is that I apply lotion onto my face and then I apply the spray. Helps the makeup go on smoother. I wouldn't use it to replace. Use it as like a refreshing spray. Only you want to use your moisturizer and your SPF. Now it's summertime, so you always want to protect your skin. Okay guys, so that is it. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment down below. Let us know what your thoughts are. Most importantly, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I post a video, or when we post a video, or when the girls post a video. Also, make sure to follow us on Snapchat and also on Instagram. And until next time, guys, bye.
Bye.